Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abhinya Menon, your personal stylist, image consultant, and a color analyst. And today we are going to talk about Indian wear style mistakes that you might be making, and it's time to evolve and upgrade your Indian wear with me, your personal style. Point number one, Chinese collar. Oh my god, Chinese collar इतना mass produce हो गया कि every other woman is wearing Chinese collar, mainstream collar, जो भी आप बोलो, जो खड़े collar होते हैं. Amazing for those women who are petite, smaller in build, but not great for women who are a little fuller, oversized. जो थोड़े से fuller हैं, जो थोड़े से heavy हैं, it just adds on to the weight. It's just too crowded around the face and the neck, and it is not advisable. So personally, I don't advise Chinese collar to anybody until unless आप बहुत petite हैं, you want to look fuller, you want to add weight. प्लीज़ अवॉइड चाइनीज़ कॉलर. उसकी जगह आप शर्ट पैटर्न कॉलर्स पहन सकते हो, आप वी नेक पहन सकते हो, स्क्वायर नेक पहन सकते हो. दैट अगेन लुक्स स्टनिंग, बट चाइनीज़ कॉलर नॉट रियली. पॉइंट नंबर 2 विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द नेक लाइन इज़ योर राउंड नेक. यू नेक जो भी आप बोलो, इतना ज़्यादा कॉमन है कि वो आपको कभी भी हट के नहीं दिखाएगा. यू विल लुक वेरी जेनरिक, यू विल लुक जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर लेडी. सो जस्ट अवॉइड वेयरिंग राउंड. देयर इज नो ब्यूटी विथ राउंड नेक, सो इट्स बेटर you shift to more structured neckline to add that growth in your Indian wear. Next very important aspect of making your Indian wear look nice is to avoid wearing kurtis which are super tight. ये Indian women में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा देखा है कि people tend to wear a very tight kurta. सारे bulges दिखते हैं, chest के, hips के, tummy के. So it is not at all advisable. Always try a size up and see how it's looking on you. Unnecessarily tight लेते हो, बोलते हो कि नहीं वो ठीक लग रहा है, but the moment you sit on a couch or a sofa, everything bulges out and then you are conscious about it. फिर आप एक pillow या cushion ढूंढते हो to keep it in front of your tummy. Don't do that. Rather invest in better sizes which is going to make you look stunning and amazing. Style mistakes that is just ruining your Indian wear is wearing sandals and chappals. Please बहुत हो गया. Please start wearing something decent like juttis, kolhapuris, ballet flats and all those flats which definitely add on to the grace rather than wearing those bulky sandals and chappals. They are just putting your Indian wear down and in a degradation. Please don't do that. चप्पल में ही मैं बात करूँगी शूज़ की. आई हैव सीन मेनी वेमेन वेयरिंग शूज़, स्पोर्ट शूज़ विथ योर सलवार कमीज एंड साड़ीज until unless you are being told by a मेडिकल स्पेशलिस्ट दैट ये चीज़ आपके फ्लैट फुट प्रॉब्लम्स हैं या कोई भी फुट इशूज़ है उसके लिए काम करेगा. प्लीज़ गो एंड वेयर इट. बट इफ़ यू आर वेल विथ योर फीट, प्लीज़ वेयर समथिंग नाइस. इसका बेस्ट ऑप्शन होगा फ्लैट्स एंड पॉइंटी टो. दे लुक एलिगेंट, दे लुक ग्रेसफुल एंड दे आर लॉट ऑफ ब्यूटी टू योर इंडियन वेयर. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज योर दुपट्टा. People think कि दुपट्टा doesn't play a vital role in your overall outfit. It does. दुपट्टे से 90% of the look can be changed and can make or break the look in the best way possible. So if you just think कि इस टाइप का V-neck दुपट्टा डाल के मैं कहीं पे भी निकल सकती हूँ, please avoid that. It doesn't look nice. Always try to go with side drapes, be it pleated, be it flared, that add a lot of elegance. I will add few dupatta styles on the screen pictures and you will get more inspiration from them. अभी मुझे नहीं पता how to put this in this video. It's so complicated. But leggings, अच्छा, with kurta, with tops, with short kurtis, please stop wearing leggings. They are long gone and I'm not sure if they are coming back. Churidar with cotton fabric is definitely in because that's graceful, but with the polyester and वो जो वेस्ट और टी शर्ट वाला कपड़ा होता है, प्लीज़ अवॉइड इट. एंड यू कैन शिफ्ट टू मोर स्ट्रेट फिट पैंट्स एंड स्ट्रेट फिट ट्राउजर्स. दैट लुक्स स्टनिंग एंड एलिवेट्स योर कुर्ता टू अ very high level. Point with respect to creating that affluent look with your Indian wear is avoid wearing very big undone floral prints, because ये मैं देखती हूँ बहुत जेनरिक हो गया है floral prints. बट floral भी आप अच्छे वाले पहन सकते हो, बट जो मास प्रोड्यूस्ड florals होते हैं दे आर very आउटडेटेड एंड वो आप पे कोई ग्रेसफुल नहीं लगता. एंड बहुत बार मैंने देखा है कि बहुत ही चीप क्वालिटी प्रिंट यूज़ किया जाता है या इंक यूज़ किया जाता है इनको प्रोड्यूस करने में, एंड वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. सो लेडीज़, try few embroidered ones rather than going with big printed ones. 8 is boring dupatta drapes or boring dupattas. So I'm telling you very honestly, if you want to look graceful, invest in good fabrics of dupatta, good prints of dupatta, and some element of interest in your dupatta through embroidery, fabric, or the way it has been done. organza add lot of style, but I'm sure it's not very comfortable to drape. But आप उसकी जगह embroidery में जा सकते हो, silks में जा सकते हो. Just add little bit of interest in that dupatta. Don't make it look very mundane and very boring, plain colored, very thin chiffon ones. Doesn't work at all. But not the least, ladies, knee length kurta. I'm sure knee length kurta सबके पास है, but it doesn't work. I'm so sorry to put this here, but it doesn't work. It's a very mass-produced length. It's not specifically done for you, and it doesn't make you look lean or tall or any good thing that is happening to you. It is just वो एक है, and it's just adding a lot of weight around your midsection. It's creating an illusion of more weight around everywhere. It's not like weight is a problem. Weight is not at all a problem. You be a plus size, you be a very petite woman, but it's just unnecessary adding on of certain elements which we generally don't want. Why? So अगर आप शॉर्ट हैं, नी लेंथ कुर्ता आपको और ज़्यादा शॉर्ट दिखाएगा. अगर आप थोड़ा सा फुलर साइज में, वो और ज़्यादा करेगा. So opt for little longer kurtas, be it calf length or be it little bit of the ankle side. That again looks stunning, makes you look leaner and taller, and what more you want. So kurta length and जो आपके basic accessories होते हैं Indian wear के साथ, आप उसी को tweak करो. You're going to look stunning. Don't let your Indian wear be little always boring and last thing to be picked up. Indian wear is graceful. Indian wear is so elegant if done right. So please make sure कि आप ये mistakes नहीं कर रहे हो. And yes, there are a few bonus points. Number one, golden color के leggings और bottom wear, they matches our skin tone so well that ऐसा लगता है कि आपने कुछ पहना नहीं है. So please avoid that golden color का legging, golden color के pants. It just doesn't work. This is a bonus tip for my end, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, Sunday 6 p.m. With more videos. And yes, bye-bye. Take care.